Hello there! In the following weeks, I'll walk you through how to customize your 42-line digital planner to fit your needs. The tutorial is made up of 3 parts. Part 1 is about how to initially personalize your planner. Part 2 is about how to customize the templates in the planner. Part 3 is about how to style your planner to add a personal touch. Today we will be doing part 1. Most of our planner bundles include various planner options, so first we need to decide which planner we are going to use. The main differences between all the planner options are daily and weekly layouts. As I mentioned in my previous video, my 2024 planner setup, I mainly use the monthly and daily pages and a few lifestyle templates as well. So if you do monthly and daily planning, check out that video. It will give you some ideas on how to plan with monthly and daily pages. Okay, in this video, I'll give an example on how to do monthly and weekly planning with 42-line classic digital planner. The weekly layout I choose for this demo is weekly schedule in the pastel theme. Let's say I'm a student and I wanted to use the planner to plan out my school and personal life. So I could put both my school events and personal appointments on the monthly calendar, but in different colors and shades. This will help me quickly sift through information. Another way I could do is to make a copy of the monthly calendar. One is for school and the other one is for personal. Okay, now let's get to weekly planning. As I've used the monthly calendar to mark down the school events and personal appointments, I will then use the weekly planner for my everyday to-do lists. First, I could write down the tasks I do every day and shape the time block all the way like so. Then I wanted to put some tasks at the specific time I want to do. We can use the pen tool to draw a rectangle like so. Remember to hold down your pen tip at the end to create a perfect shape. You'll notice there are extra note space on the left side and the bottom. So my idea is that for the bottom bit, you can write down tasks for that particular day. For example, I need to return books on Monday, pay bill on Wednesday, and do groceries and laundry on Saturday. For the notes section on the left side, I could write down the tasks I need to complete for this week. Okay, this is a way of how to combine monthly and weekly planning. Next, let's make the planner more personalized. In my previous tutorial, I mentioned you can keep the pages you don't need if you don't bother deleting them. But I know some of you would like to get rid of these pages, but not sure if that would mess up the hyperlinks. The short answer is no. But you've got to make sure you delete them right. Let me explain how to do so. Okay, as I don't use the daily pages in this demo, let's delete all the daily pages. Let's go to December 31st. Well, one thing I need to mention here is that this planner has 2 daily pages for each day. One is daily planner and the other is daily reflection. So we need to delete both. Okay, let's go to the daily reflection for December 31st and see what page number is. It's 881. Now let's go to January 1st. Click the 4 little square. Select. Then hold down your Apple Pencil and use your other hand to keep scrolling down until you get to page 881. Then click Trash. Now we've deleted all the daily pages. Next, I want to work out what the lifestyle templates I want to use and delete the rest of them. Let's go to the index page. We can highlight the templates we want to use, so it's easier to pick up these templates. If you want to get rid of the templates you don't use, you can use the white ink to erase them like so, or use a white background sticker to cover them. Then go to these templates and delete them like I did with the daily pages. Some of you may want to get rid of the icons at the top as well. Unfortunately, these cannot be removed as they are embedded in every page of the planner. Lastly, let me show you how to duplicate a template. Let's say I need more copies of the passwords page. Click the three dots, copy page. Make sure it's after paste page. Okay, this is how we can initially set up the planner to our likings. I hope it helps. In the next two videos, I'll walk you through how to customize the templates in the planner and how to style your planner to add a personal touch. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.